They hadn't had that thought in mind when they designed the resin system to hold the insulation materials. We did both. Thank you. Hi, this is J.E. with SPI Coatings. I want to talk to you a little bit about testing, the results of testing, not only laboratory, but in-field testing. Because a lot of times I'm asked, here's a coating that says they're as good as you are, good as Supertherm. What do you think? And I'm going, oh geez. So I'll look up if they give any testing, I'll look up and see what their testing is. And it's like, well, it's flexible, and it passed 500 hours of a salt spray, and it's like, that's about it. And it goes through some other nonsense things, like it'll go through a freeze thaw or something. And it's like, that's not testing that's going to tell you anything. The testing that's going to show you something is the testing that we've done, particularly with Supertherm, to show that it insulates. Well, the Federal Department of Energy bought the product with their own contractor, took it to Florida, did their own testing just to follow up on see if our advertising was correct. They found, oh yeah, it was, because they put it on a roof, they tested it in the field, and the surface that was coated with Supertherm on top of a metal surface was 1 degree over ambient temperature the entire day, and they came back 2 weeks later and asked the lady in the home, well, how is it? She says, I've never turned my air conditioner on yet. So we showed that we could bring the surface temperature to within 1 degree of ambient. We did other ASTM testing to show the same thing. So it's backed up in field with DOE and in ASTM testing to show the same thing. Then we get, we've got 17 pages listings of testing on Supertherm. Same goes on our rust grip. And there we're into field studies on offshore rigs using the ISO 12944-9, which is offshore. But we also did the laboratory testing in Canada at the ISO 12944-6 coastline. They came out the same. We had the best pulls of anybody anywhere, and it was solid. So testing has got to be real, and it can't be just laboratory. It's got to be in the field to back each other up that, yeah, what it did in a controlled laboratory, it can do in the field in real life conditions. That's extremely important. You have both. Thank you.